What's saying with you? Shalom. So this is your brother Mashada Menace. Welcome back to Empowering Preeminence Multimedia Productions. I want to get straight to the point, you dig. I'm hearing these rumors about KevinSamuels' potential or alleged demise, should I say. I'm watching something right now from it's a YouTube page called Emperor's Radio, and it's only like a minute and 13 seconds. And the name of the video is titled KevinSamuels Dead, Passed Away of Cardiac Arrest at 56. Now, KevinSamuels was born in 1969, so he's about between 52 to 53 years old. You understand? So they definitely got the age thing, incorrect. But she said she got it from a source, though. We don't know exactly what's going on. And I think this rumor has been spread abroad for the past 5 hours. We still haven't got an answer from KevinSamuels himself yet. You understand? It could be a rumor because I remember what happened back in January the 8th of last year. There's a young lady from my home state, Louisiana. She's from Alexandria, Louisiana. I'm from New Orleans. Her name is Janita Zell. She calls herself the Black Man's Keeper. And I believe that she mentioned that Lipstick Alley spread the rumors about her passing away. These soiled rumors about her being dead. And of course she's very well alive. So the same thing might be done with KevinSamuels. The people who was going out passing this rumor that KevinSamuels is dead, they really want to see this man meet his demise because they in trepidation and they in terror and fear on how much he's influencing the masses. You see what I'm saying? This dude is doing videos with Future and all that stuff. You heard me? Many celebrities follow this brother on not Twitter but Instagram. Shamar Moore being one of them from SWAT. And people remember him from Young and the Restless as Malcolm Winters. You dig? A lot of people follow this cat, man. I believe that the brother that be on the comedian Dion Cole, I believe he followed KevinSamuels too. You dig? So he's definitely getting some love and some support from the mainstream media. So this is probably why they're going around saying the brother's dead. You understand? If that's not true, and I hope it's not true. But y'all make sure y'all leave a respectful comment at that. Make sure y'all leave a comment below the video, you heard me? And tell me what y'all think. Has the brother really passed away or just some old rumor? You understand? As usual. And for that, I want to give our praise to the Most High Yahweh, the Father of Yahweh Shai, who the world called Jesus, pre and post incarnate in flesh, and the Father of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. And for that, I say Shalom Aleichem. Peace.